To our contents of an Education, Health and Care Plan SEN snapshot. What is an Education Healthcare Plan, also called an Ehcp? It is a legal document creating legal duties on local authorities and clinical commissioning groups, which are called CCGs. It must cover educational needs and special educational provision to meet those needs. It may include health and/or social care needs and provision. It is only available to children and young people with special educational needs, not to those who have a disability but no SEN. The contents of an Education Healthcare Plan. The plan must specify the child or young person's special educational needs, the special educational provision required, the outcomes sought, the views, interests and aspirations of the child and their parents or young person. Where special educational provision is to be secured by direct payments, the special educational needs and outcomes to be met by the direct payments must also be specified. Every Education Healthcare Plan must include at least 12 sections. Section A is the views, interests and aspirations of you and your child or the young person. Section B is your child's or young person's special educational needs. Section C is the health needs related to their SEN or to a disability. Section D is the social care needs related to their SEN or to a disability. Section E is the planned outcomes for your child or the young person. Section F is a special educational provision. Provision must be specified for each and every need shown in Section B. Section G is any health provision required that is related to their SEN or to a disability. Section H1 is any social care provision that must be made for your child or young person under the age of 18. H2 is any social care provision required that is related to their SEN or to a disability. Section I is the name and the type of the school. It can be a maintained nursery school, post-16 institution or other institution to be attended. Section J is details of how any personal budget will support particular outcomes and the provision it will be used for. And Section K is the advice and information gathered during the Education Healthcare Needs Assessment. What if you're not happy with your plan? You can contact us via our website, our advice line, or on Facebook or Twitter. You can check out our Appealing to the Tribunal leaflet on our website. You can watch our Education Healthcare Plan and our Tribunal SEN Snapshot webinars, or you can attend one of our Tribunal training courses. For further information, please visit our website at www.sendiasnorthyorkshire.gov.uk. There is also information on the Ehcp website, the Council for Disabled Children, and there is information in the SEND Code of Practice. If you would like to learn more, you can attend our free workshops on the content of an Education Healthcare Plan. Please contact the Parent Carer Voice to register for the course. Their contact details are on the screen. If you have found this webinar useful, please leave us feedback via the feedback form on our website. Thank you.